and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. It is really early this morning. It's like the crack of dawn. I'm not sure when this will get put up, but I'm getting ready to leave. So I have an opportunity to work 3 days with a lady who has dementia, and her family needs to go out of town for a few days, and so I'm going to be staying with her. So that's why I have skipped a few videos last week with my devotion stuff, and I apologize for that. I've had to go learn her routines and different things like that. So, but I'm excited to be able to work for a few days. And, yeah, so that's where I'll be today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. I will be back on Thursday. And I had to go around and make arrangements for my dogs and stuff. So I hope you had a good weekend. Like I said, I was very busy this weekend trying to make arrangements for my dogs and this, that, and the other, and it was just purely chaos. But I did get some crafting done. I will have a video out tomorrow. It is one of my design team videos. Made some 5 crisscross pockets for my journal, and then I am going to try to get out our daily devotion later today, or whenever I can. And I know Thursday we will have 24 Weeks of Christmas. And then Friday, I'm not sure yet. Now, I didn't even go grocery shopping this week. I didn't do my, well, I sort of did a meal plan, but nothing worth sharing. So I know some of you have asked me to do that more often, where I show my keto grocery haul and then how I plan for the week and prepare. And so I think I may do that again, but it'll definitely be in the upcoming weekend. So, yeah. Anyway, so I hope you all have a wonderful week. I know it's kind of sketchy here and there with me being gone 3 days, but I really do need to work for a few days, and so it's a blessing. For those who know about my situation, it's just been a real struggle for me lately, but it is a real blessing to be able to earn enough money to pay my bills for the month coming up in October, and not having to worry about getting shut off. So yeah, that's that. And I may have another video out on Wednesday. It just depends if I get to do anything or not. But most likely it will be today, tomorrow, and Thursday, and maybe Friday. So if you can see, my face is really swollen this morning. I am still having issues with fluid and my kidneys and stuff, but hopefully we're working on getting that straightened out. It's been difficult dealing with that, and I just feel really tired and run down. Like, I don't feel like sick, like in the, I don't know how to explain, in the sense of the word that I just, I don't feel great, but I don't feel sick. But my body's saying that I'm tired, and something's going on. I have a difficult time just sitting down without falling asleep and off and on. Of course, a lot of that has to do with I don't sleep well at night. But anyway, so that's what's going on. And I'm sorry I'm being so vague about the week this week, but I don't know what I'll be able to get accomplished or get done. So, yeah. So that's the 3 videos that I know that I'm going to have this week. And if I have some more coming up, I will definitely do them when I get back home. I don't think I'm going to be able to film at my little lady's house, but I may be able to do my devotions. I'm taking my Bible and stuff with me to be able to do that. And hopefully I'll be able to do that. I may just have to hold it in my hand and do it, because I don't know if I can take my tripod or not. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to quit rambling now because I'm tired. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I have to go take my dogs out before they come pick me up. So have a beautiful, blessed day. I will try to be back on later with my daily devotion. And then I have the video up for Scrapbooking with Me tomorrow. And then, of course, my 24 weeks of Christmas. Alright, guys, thank you so much for your love and support. And I will see you all as soon as I can. Bye.